We're out here on Cooma country here today, having a look at the line that the Cooma people are going to put in. We've been involved in this project supporting landholders to protect their riparian fences and help country come back to health and manage country.
My name's Ross Mitchell. I'm the current chairperson of the Cooma Traditional Owners Association. We've had the station for 23 years and been on country all my life. So we manage this station now, 87,000 hectares. We've always been taught to look after country. And one of the main things is our waterways is a very significant part. One of the outcomes that, in regards to this fencing project is actually getting Cooma people back to country and gives them an opportunity for employment. So we really empower the younger generation and ensure opportunities through working collaboratively with departments that's going to close that gap that we really need to close. And the only way to do that is start looking at country and getting them home to empower them and strengthen them.
I'm the senior ranger out on the IPA project we have out here on Cooma country. This little short 4K fence is going to protect 5,000 acres of premium frontland waterways and protect some of our significant sites down there. It helps protect and preserve what we've got left. If we don't do nothing, it'll be gone before too long. And you know, it breaks that storyline. I can't bring my kids out down to a waterway there and show them a site and talk about the stories that were told to me as a young fella. These little projects like this go a big way to help keep our waterways healthy and clean.
Yeah, I'd just like to thank Southern Queensland Landscapes for the opportunity, and obviously the government department that funds it. And I think that the message should be taken back that any opportunities in the located areas, we can start thinking a bit broader, a bit wider of the impacts that's already there, and see if we can all work together for a better outcome on country.